not aware about the letter. So I am ignorant about that, and I will definitely take a copy and have it, because otherwise my records are complete. Even the scope is there. I really searched for it, but I was so occupied with that World Congress that it is there. I will get it, because I had placed it in place, and I know that whatever I do, I place it, and sometimes I forget where it is. It will be there. A remarkable contribution indeed. And I do not know, probably it is Veeramurthy who is guiding, who wanted this to be brought out. I actually would like this to be sent to the NSI and to probably other societies in the world to see actually how pioneering work goes on, and how often we forget the pioneers, and then somebody who is more good at sort of marketing does take the credit. And this is something which I intensely dislike. And with that, I will request Dr. Saroja and Dr. Vasudevan, the head of the department, to honor Dr. Veeraraghavan, and he should accept our gratitude. And the presentation was outstanding and remarkable indeed. Thank you so much.